Pocket Vocab by Rising Genius. Learn new English words with me. The first new word is innocent. It means someone who did not do anything wrong. You can use it in a sentence like this. The boy said that he was innocent and blamed the cat for breaking the flower pot. Repeat the word with me. Innocent. Innocent is spelt as I-N-N-O-C-E-N-T. The next new word is giggle. It means to laugh softly and repeatedly. You can use it in a sentence like this. The two girls giggled while Mum was busy working. Repeat the word with me. Giggle. Giggle is spelt as G-I-G-G-L-E. The next new word is benefit. It means to get something good. You can use it in a sentence like this. If you eat fruits daily, you benefit by being strong and healthy. Repeat the word with me. Benefit. Benefit is spelt as B-E-N-E-F-I-T. The next new word is assist. It means to help someone to do an activity. You can use it in a sentence like this. The nurse assisted the old man to stand up. Repeat the word with me. Assist. Assist is spelt as A-S-S-I-S-T. The next new word is calculate. It means finding answers by using numbers. You can use it in a sentence like this. Can you calculate the money to be paid by the children if they bought 5 ice creams for 50 rupees each? Calculate and type your answer in the comment section. Repeat the word with me. Calculate. Calculate is spelt as C-A-L-C-U-L-A-T-E. Let's together repeat the words learnt today. Innocent. Giggle. Benefit. Assist. Calculate. That's it for today. Please like and subscribe if you liked me as your teacher and would like me to teach you new words.